Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Mo, and I wanted to get a custom-made jacket, and I wanted something different that no one else would have. So I came to Hide and Soul here in Deadwood, South Dakota, and what I got this beautiful deer skin and bison leather jacket with a buck stitch, and it's got zippers. Beautiful on the inside and out, all custom. No one else will have the same jacket. So if you need a jacket and want something special, come to Hide and Soul in Deadwood, South Dakota.